Hey everyone, quick video here about a new feature available in your watch list. First of all, we know how important your watch list is. This is how you follow all of the symbols and assets around the world that matter to you. So in this example, as you can see, we have a watch list called Global Markets, and we've organized it by specific equities, so equity indexes, US sectors, global equities, commodities, and more, such as rates, currencies, and even crypto. So we've made here the perfect watch list for us that essentially sorts the entire market, so at any given moment we can see what's happening. Now in your watch list, you can do all of this yourself. You can add symbols, you can change the name, add specific color labels. It's totally up to you. Essentially, to get started really is just right-click somewhere in your watch list to add a symbol to that specific point, to create a new section, or to make flags and other tools. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you a quick new feature we launched, which is the ability to customize the column sizes in your watch list. So you can sort your watch list alphabetically by symbol, or by last price, or by price change, or by percentage change, just by clicking on these tabs. By the way, if you double click on symbol, it will return your watch list to its original order. So just double click and it will return your watch list to its original order. Double click, we're back to the original order. But now the new feature that we've added to the watch list tool is so that you can customize your columns. All you have to do is move your mouse up to the top of the watch list. You'll see the column appear. You can click and drag now to customize the column to fit your screen width. Or maybe you are very specific about how you want your watch list to look. Well, this new ability to drag and resize your columns gives you the ability to make the perfect layout for you. And as we're just demonstrating, all it takes is hovering your mouse over the column. You will see this column icon appear. Click and just begin dragging to get your preferred look and feel. So if you would rather have these columns slightly tighter and to the right, you could do this. And now, as you can see, we've made it so that the price changes are further off to the right and the symbol column is over here. We can also change our watch list width in general and how much space it takes up on our screen. So in this case, we've really made it a tight watch list here off to the right and our chart here. And then as always, all we have to do is click on each symbol in the watch list and the chart will instantly update to reflect the symbol that we want to see with one click. So this was meant to be a really quick update about this new feature. You can now customize the column width in your watch list, and get ready, we have so many other cool tools and features coming to the TradingView platform, as well as ways to improve the way you follow your favorite symbols in your watch list. And as a quick tip and reminder to this video, make sure you're using sections. All you have to do here is right click. There's a button that says add sections. Click this and you can add, for example, US sectors, US equities, global equities, and you can make a watch list just like this, covering the world really, or all of the symbols that you care about and sorted with specific sections. So as a reminder, to get started, as always, head up to the top right, click this button here that says watch list, and you are off. We encourage you to dive right in. Taking the chance to build your first watch list is the best way to get started. Once you've done that, right click to see all of the tools available to you for better organization, sorting, and watch list management. Click this drop down to create new watch lists or use color flags. And that is the basics of watch list, but more importantly, the overview of our new tool to customize the column width of your watch list, as you see us doing right here. So thank you for watching, and we hope this video helped. Stay tuned. We have more features and launches coming.